Hello, this is Lucrecious. Welcome to another game dev stream. This is kind of a surprise one because I'm gonna try to be doing them every Saturday and Wednesday. So yeah, I was just looking at some noise in Godot script for something later. But yeah, let's get started on the game development. I guess here's where I am now, I guess, to anybody watching. Here's the game. The roll, jump, and on Thursday I was adding in the climbing mechanism, which I'm not done with it yet, obviously, but here's how it is right now. There's a climbing idle animation when you stand still, and you can move up and down whenever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I need to do now, I guess, is make it so when he touches a ladder, he climbs. So I'm gonna probably do that. Yeah, for the most part, I think I'll be pretty quiet unless people have questions. But yeah, maybe I'll explain what I'm doing for people who watch over, who watch later, who watch the past live streams. But yeah, anyways, that's what I'm gonna be working on today, getting in like a ladder asset and making it so he can only climb when he touches a ladder asset. So let's do that. Oh, why do that? All right. So you got this area. I'm wondering if there's a way to fuse area with put the mask here. There's a way to fuse area with the kinematic body. That'd be pretty useful. Mostly because like I don't really oh well, I'm just gonna use area, and this will be the primary way my character will interact with stuff. So let's do that. And instead of a circle, let's do circles. Are pretty cheap, but capsules are also pretty cheap. So I think I'm gonna use a capsule just so it covers most of the player. Yeah. Well, cool. Just gonna make sure it's monitoring. I still understand what monitoring does, so I'm gonna look that up real quick. Godot area 2D. Oh, this is area. I need area 2D. Here we go, and then change this to latest because I'm using Godot 3 or Godot 3. Sorry. Okay, it's a bunch of members. Overlapping area, overlapping body, overlapping areas, overlapping bodies. So let me see what this does. Returns a list of intersecting physics for performers whose collisions are all processed at the same time. This list is modified during the physics step, not immediately after objects are moved. Consider using signals instead. Okay. Monitorable. If other monitoring areas can detect this area. Monitoring. If the area detects bodies or areas entering and exiting. I guess a monitorable can be monitorable can be false. Where is it? Yeah, monitorable can be false. We just need it to be monitoring. And I guess this increases performance, so I'll do it for now. If I need it later, I'll add it on. But right now the player doesn't matter. Doesn't need to be detected by anything. Maybe later on when there are enemies and stuff and they're attacking, I'll add that in. Okay. Let's get in the. I'm gonna get in the. There's a. I have a. Oh, I think I might have the asset already. I just have to go to the scene for it. So let me. It's probably in assets. No. Okay, here you go. Assets, texture, tile sets. Oh, whoops. Source. Damn, where did I put it? Oh, here. There you go. Okay. The tile set scene, right? I'm just using this scene for tiles and stuff, so yeah, okay. So close these. Actually, it might be better to just go into main and add this one thing in. I'm not sure yet. And I'll add it here. So add a sprite. Let's go call it ladder, and then set the collision. Or set the texture for it. And then set the region for it. Where is the region? Right here. Enabled. Texture region. Okay. Perfect. Here are the ladders. Oh. Jeez, why it's so hard to move? Okay. Ooh, there you go. Okay. That's the texture region for it, and I can change this back to the output and move this down a little bit. And now I have to add in a collision for it. And this will just be a square. The tiles are 40 by 40, so 20 on each side is 40. Okay, there we go. And whoops, what's this error say? Oh, whoops, I have to add a body, right? Whoops, I'll do that. We're not kinematic. Whoops. What am I doing? I need static. It's not moving anywhere. Delete. Delete. Damn, Godot is really slow when I'm streaming. Okay, perfect. There we go. To set this to the collision. has to be on these layers. There we go. Where's my collision for this ladder? It's weird. It's not reloading it. Is it like a refresh or like? Oh, there we go. Had to. We just had to put it back. Okay, let's make a ladder like this. All right, cool. And then save that. And then I just want to head back in here and make sure. Yep. So I changed these two, and they're both on the same collision layer. So let's see how it looks, I guess. I should probably enable the collision shapes. There we go. Oh, I can't walk this. Why can't I walk past that? Should probably it's not on the same collision layer or anything. I see. That's cool. That's useful. I swear there was like a triggering I'm gonna change this type of node actually to an area. Yeah. Okay. It's not monitoring, it's just moderable. And then you have the same layer and everything, that's good. Alright, so let's once again export. Go back here, go here, and let's reload this one. Okay, so now I should be able to pass through it. We'll see. No, I don't understand why I can't pass through it. Maybe I'll delete these again and then add them in for now. Just make sure it's reloaded. It's weird. Shouldn't do that. Well, I'm gonna have to look that up real quick. Just to make sure that I'm not doing something wrong. I don't see the triggering. There should be a triggering method or something. Maybe I'm not using the right node. Not that it works, but Hmm. 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 Damn, tile sets are really weird in this game, and in not this game, in this this engine. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong here. So I have an area 2D, fine. And it's both monitoring and monitorable. Maybe area 2D doesn't work in Godot or in Godot 3. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. So basically, I can't do this with tile maps. So instead, I'll just make a manual thing here. Just reload it, or whoops, I have to export. That doesn't go away. Cool. I guess I can just delete it. That's weird. My area 2D is here. Oh, I'm probably... Bodies, right? Areas. Overlapping areas. Okay. Ah, whoops. Pressed up. Okay, there we go. I guess this is the only way of creating ladders right now. I'm not sure. But my ladders are tiles, so I'd like them to be used with the tile map, but I guess you can't do that. So I guess what I could do is create like a completely separate tile layer with the ladders instead. And then make it so whenever I detect those tiles, it's a tile layer, it's a ladder. So yeah, but for now I guess I'll just I'll do this, and yeah. But you could do a grid. Yeah, so I'll put it as a grid, and I'll just move this down here. For now I'm just gonna duplicate. This is just like raw stuff. Duplicate, move up. There we go. Yeah, probably a tile layer with just like these ladders would be very pretty useful, I guess. Just trying to figure out how to do like the interact stuff. I guess everything else aside from like wall sliding and stuff, like a ladder, you can just have one ladder layer. Anyways, let's do this. So let's make it so when it detects like these ladder areas, that's the only time you can climb. Yeah, let's do that. So how would I know this is a ladder? Well, I don't. It'd be cool if I could just have tags in Godot. Just have tags to know like what objects what. Maybe I can do that. Tags, Godot. Oh, I get it. I could have groups. I could have groups. Alright, so let's do groups. I think groups are easier than what I was thinking than tags. So how do I set a group? I'll look that up real quick. Perfect, right here. So I'm gonna call this the ladder group, and yeah, and I guess I have to type it in again. Ladder group. So now these two are in the same group. And now I can go back to character, Whoops. Where's the climbing? To climb. So if it's not in dodge, I'm pressing up, but also I'm not overlapping. I'm overlapping with the group things, so how do you get a nodes group in code? There we go. Okay. So now we should be good to go. So overlapping areas. Over. Oh, I see. This is no. What? How is it possible if I have. It's called area. What? Oh, I know what it is. Okay, good. So I can't climb anywhere here, but as soon as I'm overlapping, I can. That's good. It's good. Well, that took way longer than it should have, but it's done now. That took way too long. It's because I was trying to figure out the tile set shit. But yeah. Yeah, on enter I should also do something. On enter I'll set the position of my, so Yeah, it should be. It would be nice to be able to pass in stuff into states. It's not a big deal. I'll just when I enter, for now at least, I'll do this. Okay, basically just setting myself like right in front of the ladder, like in the middle of the ladder. Yep, so now I'm in the middle, which is good. That is good, that is good. I am behind it though, so I'm gonna change that. Maybe it's just a matter of order. Oops. If I move this down here, or if I move these ladders up here, I guess. Let's do that, see how it looks. Yeah, there you go. So I'm standing here and I go right into the middle, which is what I want. Cool. Alright, I'm a little bit tired actually, so I'm gonna end this stream off here. Thanks for watching. I'll be back on Wednesday, and yeah. Not a very good session today. I was pretty groggy, but I did it just for the sake of getting used to the schedule, I guess. So yeah, so I'll be back on Wednesday. Yeah.